Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Haria, and in this channel we talk everything Amazon FBA. Today I want to talk about the rank. I'm sure you hear a lot of people say Amazon rank. What is the rank? The rank is your position on Amazon. So Amazon, in their catalog, any new product, they give it an ASIN, which is the number that Amazon used in their catalog. Each ASIN has a BCR, or what they call a bestseller rank. This is the technical explanation what a rank is. It basically means the position of the product on the Amazon page or catalog. But for me, if I want to simplify the term so you understand clearly how Amazon work, I would describe the rank is, if you ever watch the film Finding Nemo, in there, when Dory and Nemo's father get lost and they go into the deep ocean and they keep going down and down, and the more they go down, the darker it is in the bottom of the ocean. That's exactly how the Amazon catalog is. It's an ocean of millions of products in that ocean. So when a new product comes in, it doesn't have no BCR, it does not have a rank. So basically it is in the bottom of that ocean. And in order for it to go up to the surface of the ocean, there's a lot of work that has to be done. So mainly is the sales. So the more you sell, the more you get basically pulled up to the surface. So you sell few sales, then you have a rank, which because you didn't have a rank because you were at the bottom of the ocean, you go up, and then the more you sell, you go up to the ideal position, which is the surface of the ocean, or we call it the first page. That's the ideal position you want it to be in. So when people start selling on Amazon have a lot of algorithm to work out that rank, but mainly is sales. So to get better sales, you have to have better pictures. You have to have a better product, superior product, because you don't have no reviews, you don't have any social proof. There's others who have thousands of reviews. How are you going to stand out with the rest of all of those 1,000 reviews? Then you have to have a better product, better pictures, better everything to basically stand out. So once you are in that surface, you are in that first page, then you have to keep that rank, which is maintaining that sales figure that you've achieved, and which means never run out of stock, because if you do, your rank will sink again. 1 week, 2 weeks, not huge, but if you go out for a long time, that means you have to pay more ads to basically drag that product up to the surface. I'm simplifying the terms because I want you to understand how Amazon works. I'm not sure, I have not seen any video that explain how it works. So when somebody doesn't know how to sell on Amazon, the first thing that comes to their mind, I'll be the cheapest and I'm gonna sell. It does not work that way. First of all, there's a lot of limits anyway of the prices that you can put. And also being the cheapest, if you put the cheapest price, not necessarily you're going to be seen and people buying you, and then basically your rank improve for others to see you on the first page. So you are in the bottom of the ocean. If your price is so low and you're on the bottom of the ocean, who's going to see you? Nobody's going to see you. So the price is not a strategy. Yes, we do use a price strategy with competitive offer, strong ads, better pictures, better offer, better everything. Then yes, your price lower for launch. That will help obviously because you have no social proof yet, you have no reviews, so people will be reluctant to actually buy from you. But all these factors will encourage them to buy from you. But thinking that working in Amazon or selling Amazon, I have to be the cheapest, that's not a strategy forever. You're not going to sell that way. It does not work like that. It's not eBay. You're not going to sell per pennies. It does not work that way. And also Amazon have a lot of things that actually stop you from making your offer very cheap. Also something else, let's say you put your figure really low and then you're trying to increase it. Either trying to increase it or decrease it on Amazon, not gradually like $5 or $4, let's say dollars. that will make you lose your buy box, which means your product won't be visible for the customer to put in the basket. So like you see, two steps authentication, you have to go through 2 steps. They have to go through 2 steps. They have to look for you, to find you, to put you in the basket, to put your item in the basket. The buy box will disappear if you basically increase your price too little, too fast, either up or down. So whatever figure you decide you're gonna start, if you want to go up with the price, you have to do it gradually as well. So there's a lot of factors that can affect you. If you think I'm gonna sell on Amazon by being the cheapest, that's not a strategy to succeed in Amazon. I hope my explanation explained exactly what a rank means on Amazon. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.